Greetings, greetings, greetings. If Jesus tell you to do something where impossible, and you actually start to do it, and see it a go on through, and what would that really make you start to doubt him? Make we think about it. And while you are thinking about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language. Click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 14 from verse 22 to verse 36. Same time, Jesus making special follower them go in at the boat and go back at the nether side till him come. Him turn back and send with the people them. After him done send with the crowd, him go up at the mountain, go pray. Him one. Evening come down, and him one did there. As for the boat, by now that did they way out in the sea, far from land, and the wave did a batter it, cause the breeze did a blow against them. When they did soon light, Jesus come to them and walk on the water. When he follow them see him a walk on water, them heart catch at them mouth and they say, "A dopey." They start bawl out the way they're afraid. But same time, Jesus said to them, say, "Who don't take heart? And me man, but afraid." Peter answer back, "Lord, if I really you, tell me if I walk upon the water, come to you." Jesus say, "Come." Peter come out of a boat, walk upon the water, and I go to Jesus. But when he see how strong the breeze did a blow, he catch him afraid and start sink. Peter shout out, "Whoa, save me, Lord, save me." Same time, Jesus stretch out his hand and catch Peter. Him said to him, say, "Aye, what a little bit of trust you put in me. What make you start wonder?" When they go in at the boat, the breeze did tap blow. Then the one them where did they in a boat go down upon them knee and praise Jesus and say, "For real, you are God pick me." After Jesus and his special follower them cross the lake, them tap a one place named Gennesaret. The people them find out say a Jesus did amongst them, and they send word to everybody we live near where they did live, and them bring all who sick for them come. Them beg him for just make them touch the inner him clothes, and everybody will do that, get better. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.